Let me be brutally honest about something most women will never say out loud. The right kind of hug can create a deeper, more visceral sense of arousal than most kisses ever will. I have consulted with women who completely reevaluated their relationships, who questioned their attraction to their current partners, all because of a single brief embrace from another man, a deliberate shift in how he held her, and suddenly her brain couldn't let him go. The average man's hug is like a handshake, polite, procedural, and instantly forgotten. It communicates friendship, and that's precisely why it extinguishes desire. But the man who understands the neurobiology of touch doesn't just hug her. He leaves a neurological echo in her system. He creates a sensation her logical mind can't define, but her body can't deny. My name is Dr. Christina Morgan, and today we're decoding the science of that touch. By the end of this video, you will learn a specific adjustment to your posture and one critical point of contact that can completely change how she perceives you. If you're ready to learn this deeper form of communication, type the word hug in the comments below. Excellent. Let's proceed. The forgettable hug fails because it operates on a social script. It's an act of platonic validation. The quick squeeze, the pat on the back. These are signals that close a loop. They say this is non-threatening. We are friends. This actively signals to her nervous system to remain in a state of friendly, alert awareness, not intimate relaxation. The hug that creates an echo does the exact opposite. Its purpose is to intentionally break the social script. It must communicate calm, masculine control and unwavering presence. And here's the scientific reason most men get it wrong. They believe attraction is built on action and intensity. It's not. Primal attraction is built on stillness and intention. A hurried, uncertain touch signals anxiety. A calm, grounded touch signals authority and safety, which is the prerequisite for arousal. The framework we will use is called the somatic imprint. Somatic means relating to the body. The goal is not to persuade her mind, but to leave a lasting physical memory, a sensory data point that her body will recall long after the moment is over. This framework stands on 3 pillars: tempo, stillness, and anchor point. And in just a moment, I will show you the one anchor point on her body that acts as a neurological shortcut, shifting her perception of you from safe friend to potential lover in under 5 seconds. Let's do a quick reset. This entire technique is effective because of 3 elements: a deliberate tempo, absolute stillness, and a strategic anchor point. Let's decode each one. First, tempo. And here's the speed mistake that instantly neutralizes any potential attraction. Moving at a conversational pace. Friendly energy is quick, dominant intentional energy is unhurried by initiating the hug 25%. Slower than is socially normal. You interrupt her expectations and command her full attention. Second, stillness. And a single misplaced word here will shatter the entire illusion. Once in the embrace, you do not speak, you do not pat, you simply exist and breathe. This deliberate lack of social feedback forces her brain to switch from analytical mode to sensory mode. It triggers a parasympathetic response, which is the only state where the body can feel both profoundly safe and sexually receptive simultaneously. Now for the most potent element, the anchor point. Most men instinctively place their hands high on the back or shoulders. This is the anatomical equivalent of the friend zone. To create a somatic imprint, your dominant hand must find its anchor lower, specifically on the lumbar curve of her lower back. This location is a biological sweet spot. It's non-invasive, yet deeply intimate. Placing a firm, warm hand there communicates support and possession simultaneously. It's a gesture of protective dominance that her primal brain is wired to understand and respond to. Let's distill this into a single powerful directive. Here is your imprint protocol. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Slow down, stay silent, and anchor your hand on her lower back. Focus on mastering just this one sequence. From the case studies I've analyzed, this precise anchor point is the detail women consistently recall with a sense of surprise and intrigue even weeks later. Let me be clear. This is not about learning a trick. This is about learning a language. The language of nonverbal masculine presence in a society that is increasingly disconnected. The ability to create a moment of grounded, silent connection is not just attractive, it's a profound gift. This is about embodying a calm confidence that makes a woman feel both protected and desired in the same breath. A polarity that is the very essence of powerful attraction. Your actions communicate your inner state far more loudly than your words. So, I invite you to make a commitment to intentional action. Type ready in the comments below. If you're committed to communicating from a place of calm confidence, if this framework gave you a new perspective, please hit that subscribe button for more science-based insights into human connection. And finally, share this video with a man who you know has a good heart, but whose physical presence doesn't yet match the strength of his character. Until next.